Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies using cookie dough. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare your baking sheet. Line it with parchment paper or a silicone mat to prevent sticking and ensure easy cleanup. Next, take your cookie dough out of the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. This makes it much easier to scoop and shape. You're now ready for the next step. Now it's time to form your cookies. Use a spoon or a cookie scoop to create uniform 5-inch balls of dough. Consistency in size helps them bake evenly. Place these dough balls about 2 inches apart on your prepared baking sheet. This spacing prevents them from spreading into each other. Bake them in the preheated oven for 9 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Keep an eye on them to avoid overbaking. Once your cookies are out of the oven, resist the urge to move them immediately. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to firm up and prevents them from breaking apart. After this initial cooling, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Storing them properly is key to maintaining their deliciousness. Once fully cooled, place them in an airtight container to keep them fresh for several days. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your cookie game. Feel free to customize your cookies by adding extra ingredients like chocolate chips, nuts, or even sprinkles to the dough before baking. For chewier, softer cookie, try slightly underbaking them by just 1 or 2 minutes. They will continue to cook slightly on the hot baking sheet. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.